Distributing materials to your students can be really easy. For example, with my civics class, we're about to start Unit 2. And I want to make sure that each student has their own section group, which looks like one of these, in their own personal notebook called Unit 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the class notebook tab on the ribbon up at the very top. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to go over here to distribute new section. I'm going to click the drop down menu, which gives me the ability to distribute a new section group. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to call it Unit 2. And what this is going to do is it's going to create a new folder called Unit 2 within all of my students' personal notebooks. I'm going to hit Create. And now I have created a new folder within all of my students' notebooks called Unit 2. Now within Unit 2, I'm going to be giving out some homework. So I want to make sure they have their own tab for homework in Unit 2. So I'm going to go up here to distribute a new section, and I'm going to say distribute new section. I'm going to call it homework. And I'm going to click this more options because I want to make sure that I'm putting it in the specific location. So within their student notebook, I want to make sure that this new tab, this new section, is going to be under Unit 2. And I'm going to hit Create. And now within each of my students' Unit 2 folder, they will have a section called Homework. So I'm going to click into Kelly's, go to Unit 2, and here's that Homework tab created for them. And it's going to be empty until I start adding pages. So the very last step is to distribute a page to those students. So I'm going to go to my content library. I'm going to go into my Unit 2 folder, and here is the homework that they have that I want to distribute to their personal notebooks. So once I'm on the page that I would like to distribute, I go up here to Distribute Page. It'll give me an option of the different sections that are within their folder, their student notebook, and then also the folders within their student notebook. And so I'm going to go to Unit 2, and I'd like to distribute to the Homework tab. It distributes fairly quickly, and now I'm going to go back outside of my content library, back to my home page, go into a student profile, go to Unit 2, and there is their homework over here.